Good morning, and it is Saturday, and I'm heading down to the village, taking all the heavy stuff down there, and Cece will be following me here shortly. Maybe we'll get some pictures of people just walking by. Hey, that would be kind of fun, I guess. We will see you momentarily. We got some people that are really good, a lot better than I am about getting up, everything. Oh, there's the sauce guy. Seen him here before. There, got all kinds of cool little signs, stuff. Soap lady right over here. The best of soap, the goodest soap. Well, I'm gonna kind of start setting up right here, right in front of the park. You've probably seen this before. Right there is backwards, Cocoa Riverview Park. Right here, here's our tent right there. And this, real kind of cheap setup. I mean, I don't think it looks cheap, but it's inexpensive. I think people appreciate the simplicity of it. Hopefully we all do well today. We did have a few sales today. It's nice. I mean, the day's not over yet. The weekend's not over, so you can't get too excited about stuff. Just enjoy the process, being here at your own little micro business, being able to talk to people, get some feedback. The biggest thing about doing this is just engaging with people. It gets you where you can kind of learn to negotiate. It's almost like a little testing ground at little craft fairs like this, because you get all kinds of people, and you kind of joke it up with them. Sometimes if you come on too strong or serious, they back off. But I'm always attentive to people, because in my area it just seems like people don't like you walking up on them. Most people, they appreciate the ability to look around because they're enjoying the atmosphere. And if you're over here trying to do a hard sell, that's not what I want to come across and do. I'd rather somebody enjoy it. I give them a little story, and they can walk away with something from not just that's a picture, but that it's from the Cocoa Village area. So we'll get back with you in just a moment and let you know how it's going. This is our second day here at the Cocoa Village Summer Art Fair. We had a good day yesterday. Every day, I think, is an opportunity to learn, and I think that's the biggest thing about having a business, is not that you're just successful right off the bat, but you're able to learn from issues that come up. And that's what makes you a good businessman. I mean, using that opportunity to become not just a better photographer, but a better business person. Good morning. How you doing? See, there you go. How y'all doing? Good. Doing awesome. Hey. There we go. Good morning. Here's the lady who's going to clean up today. Our soap lady. Yeah, I said that yesterday. But it's still all here. Good thing nothing blew up or blew it over. Because that's the biggest thing around here, is the wind will come along and just catch these things that are just basically kind of a kite and blow it over. So what's going to happen in here is I'm going to go ahead and set everything up. All right, looks like we got all set up here. Now this is something we're trying different today, because we don't have a whole bunch of stuff left. Is that we got the one table over here, you see? And this is something that I really would prefer to do. A little sweaty here. Is not have a table or have very small little section there, because I like it when people can walk right up to the artwork and take a close look at it. But just a quick note, this is what it looks like before anybody shows up. That one right there, you may have seen it before. It's my mother-in-law's favorite picture, so it's always here and it always sells. So it's just kind of see how many people we got out here today. How many people? Oh, we're getting a good crowd coming along here. This way, kind of shoot around here. Oh, how are you doing? Just seeing how many people got here today. So, yeah, it's good. surprise, surprise, here in Florida, it's raining.
In the summer?
Yeah. The really good thing is we did quite well today. I think we actually made our rent plus, so I consider that a success. The good thing about it is that it got cooler, but it runs people away when it's raining. A good way to end the day, because we're about to go. It's about an hour till everything was supposed to shut down anyway, and so we just basically get off a little bit early today due to rain. Well, what can you learn from the art fair? Well, it takes some work to get it together. It's not just going to be, boom, show up and people going to get your product. You kind of got to
Frame it in such a way.
frame it.
Like a photographer, yeah.
Got that. And, be really willing to talk to people. Again, if you have trouble reaching out to people, saying hey and welcome, this is a good proving ground for that. You can take the time and hone that skill. You got to work hard to put your stuff together. Make sure you cull out the right stuff, have it presentable, whether you have some in frames, some not in frames. Because some people want that. They maybe like your big picture, your 2 by 3 foot picture, but they either don't have the money or the space for it. So just to get that image into their hands, you can have like a cheaper option, like a 12 by 18. They can frame it if they want to, and then they've got your print, and you've kind of made them happy. Always keep thinking about how you can promote your product, promote yourself, really, because I think that's the other aspect of a craft show, is that you can talk to the artists. But I think the biggest part of this is that people can come in and talk to you directly, say, I spoke to the artist, he's local, small business. So that's an incentive for them to kind of work with you. Always strive to be improving yourself. And as always, challenge yourself to become a better photographer every day.